Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download code blocks in Windows in a very simple way. What you can do, just simply go for any of Google browser and then come over into your search option and going to search for code blocks. And here is the code blocks. If you click on that, then we'll get a website called www.codeblocks.org. And here is the website. So if you click on this website, and then at the left side you will get some of items over here called news, features, downloads, user manual, forums, wiki, license, donations. So we just need to go for downloads, and from here you will get lot of options to download. It's called download the binary release, download a nightly build, download the source code, or retrieve source code from SVN. So I will going to download the binary release. So I will going to click on it and then going to select Windows. You can see there is three different operating systems over here: Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. My computer is using Windows, that's why I'm going to select Windows. But you can see there is only 5 version over here. But that is okay. You can simply run it in your Windows 11 as well. So if I just click on that, and then I just need to search for or need to find this one over here called codeblock slash 20.03 MinGW dash setup.exe. That's the right to download. So you can download it from FossHub or sourceforget.net. It's up to you. But I will going for FossHub over here. So if I click on that, and after a very short time you can see the download has been started, and it's only 145 MB, so it will take some more seconds to download. So keep patient. I will going to minimize it. So you can see the download file is completed, and now I will going to drag it into this desktop and going to open it 2 times. Going to click yes for the permission, and you can see code blocks, and this is code block installation wizard. So I'm going to click on next. Click I agree, and if you have any good reasons to change any of say default settings over here, you can simply change it. But if you don't know what to change, then please keep it as simple as it is. Simply click next. If you want to change the file location, you can do it as well, but I will leave it as it is. I'm going to click on install. After that, the installation process will be begin, and it will take some more minutes to install. So for that, you just need to keep patience. And you can see that the download is completed, and now you want to run code blocks now. So if you want to run it right for now, you can click on yes, and the code blocks will be open, and you can see that it's already running. So if you click on OK, click next right now, click finish, and now if we just open the code blocks, it will looks like this. So this is how you can download and install code blocks into your computer in a very simple manner. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.